Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, yes, big up everyone that is subscribing right now. You understand? Yes, we're gonna get right into it. This is another loyalty test video. Okay, silk catching cheaters. Okay, BF cheat and lose fight in the same day, guys. Oh Jesus Christ, the dog lose the fight. Yes, he's supposed to lose the fight. You understand? But we in Miami.
Way to Miami to set up an epic loyalty test to help her figure this out. Taylor's boyfriend DJ is an OnlyFans manager in Miami, Florida. And 2 months ago, for the first time in the relationship, he was exposed for having an affair with one of his clients.
So we came all the way here from Atlanta for you. You can go ahead and give us the rundown on why do you feel like your boyfriend is cheating?
I love him so much, but we've had problems in the past.
Bro, I have to pause this video, bro. Once a person cheat in your life, that person is going to cheat again. She said he cheat in the past. Now he's going to cheat in the future. So this is the future.
He's cheated on me in the past, and I never quite got over it, but I stayed with him because I love him so much. And as you know, his job is, it's something.
You said he's cheated on you in the past?
Yes, he has.
Can you give us kind of like a breakdown as to what happened?
So as you know, he manages OnlyFans models. So I caught him in a meeting, per se, with one of his clients.
Wow.
And of course he played it off like, nothing was going on. But ultimately he just succumbed and said, yes, but I'm so sorry and I would never do it again. And of course I believed him.
So you're back with him now after he's cheated in the past, and he tried to apologize, make up for it.
The last time he cheated, he did send me a voice message.
Seems like this female loves the spotlight, bro.
With him. I really didn't want to hear it, but deep down I knew that I just loved him so much and I wanted to hear him out. So if you want, I can play for you what he sent me.
He sent you a voice message?
Yeah.
Guys, everyone, all of my subscribers, we're not nosy, but we're gonna listen together, okay? Everyone put their ears now.
Hey, why you ain't answering my phone? I told you I'm sorry. I know I f***ed up. I was drunk as hell. I ain't mean to do it. You keep on playing.
Hey, mommy wanna smile,
I tell you, come on.
She wanna smile.
I promise I will never cheat on you again.
She love those
I swear.
sweet talk.
I put that on my soul. For real. I can't do it without you, for real. This really lame, bro. Pick up the phone. What the bro?
I was scared.
So I understand that, and obviously you want to put him to the test today to figure out if he would do it again.
Taylor found out because she literally is the heart to his business. She is the outlet to how he finds all of the women that he manages. So to no surprise, one of the models literally told her straight up that he tried to give her hush money not to say anything. So to find out whether or not DJ is truly loyal to Taylor or not, me and my team set up an epic loyalty test to figure out whether or not DJ is a soulless fucking...
He's a cheater, bro. Guys, subscribe, please. Please subscribe, guys. Please.
Hello?
Kari.
This is our decoy, Kari. Kari is a good friend of mine who I met last year in Miami. Kari hit me up a lot last year because she has been through some extremely toxic relationships and she really wanted to just help us catch some cheaters. Since we made this trip to Miami, it only made sense to get her on the show, especially since she owns the house that this test will be taking place at.
Hey, what's up?
We are outside.
Before arriving at Kari's house, we had Taylor tell DJ that Kari is just another OnlyFans model who wants managing for her platform.
Seems like everyone over in US is an OnlyFan. Not really everyone, but these guys.
Hey, how you doing? Jay from Solar Cheaters. I'm here with Taylor. She's basically the girlfriend of the guy that we told you about. So is it cool if we step in, we look through the house?
Yeah, man.
So basically, her boyfriend is an OnlyFans manager. He's gonna go here because he thinks that you are trying to be on his OnlyFans management team, okay? So when he arrives, just make sure that you play your role as good as possible. Got any questions?
Okay, I got it.
Prior to DJ's arrival, we had hidden cameras set up in every area of the house. And from here, me and my team waited in the control room as we waited for DJ's arrival.
If your boyfriend does end up cheating, what happens from here?
Here I know.
I've let it slide for too long now, and I know I deserve better. So this is it. This is the final straw.
Bro, you're capping, bro. You're not gonna let it slide, bro. You let it slide a lot of time. Bro, you're skating, bro. You're on the skating field, bro. It is salad, a tomato. You're gonna slice it up. You make it slide long time. So why you want it to slide now? Eh? You want to be features on a loyalty test? Eh? Look how much time the man cheat on you. Huh, them girl, yeah.
Done. I'm done after this.
In about
Let's
30
see if
minutes, DJ will be arriving, and we will see now. Hold on, you guys.
Let's see if
Whoa.
she's gonna done, bro.
Taylor from the video is calling me right now.
Taylor.
This is crazy that you're calling me right now. I'm actually recording, bro. Say hey.
Hey.
What's Taylor? Taylor want to be on the
Whoa,
show,
what's
you
the
see?
problem?
I'm just gonna screen share and show you.
Is it something with DJ?
No. Yeah, I only have 250.
Oh, the money.
The link in your description. I'm supposed to have 750. What happened?
Oh, you'll get 750 if you complete all 20 deals. How many deals have you completed? You have to complete all 20 deals to get 750, but congratulations for getting 250. If you want to get the full 750, I'm about to drop this video with the full steps to how to complete the actual deals to get it. And I'm gonna show you guys if you guys want to make $750 as well, so there's no more confusion. The first step is to go to my YouTube channel. I click this one, for example, just to show you, and click right here to the link in my description. Once you guys have clicked on that link, it'll take you to a page right here where you see Soulja X upload a reward. From here, all you gotta do is sign in with your email.
Guys, you can check it out and see
All you
if
gotta
it's
do
work,
now is
okay?
fill out this quick survey. Just fill it out real quick.
Hey,
It's to receive updates.
trust me.
It's a
Trust
simple
me,
survey,
these
bro. It doesn't
tests
take
you
much
have to
time.
have a heart.
And
to
now you
watch
fill out these quick
tests, bro.
questions. It's literally
Guys,
super
comment,
easy.
comment.
From-
Okay, and
Just-
follow me on One Code Music
We
channel.
completed the survey.
One Code
Now
Music.
we've done optional offers. And now we're on the final part, which is the deals, and then you get your $750 on Cash App.
Yes,
now all you
guys,
gotta do is
just
do
run
one of
up
these
the
deals, bro.
subscribe
It's super
over one
simple. We're gonna
code.
go ahead and do
You
Travel
understand?
Town.
Fully
Start deal, go ahead
code.
and download the app.
Code up.
Okay, guys, now the app is downloaded. Now this is the easy part. All I gotta do now, bro, is play these games, bro, and
Yeah,
I'm gonna
man,
make
play
my
up the
money,
game
bro.
them.
I'm not gonna sit here and do all the deals for you guys, but you guys get the gist. All you gotta do now is go to the
Them
link
say
in my
it work.
description,
Guys,
fill out
follow
the
me
survey, go make your money, bro. But other than
on
that,
Instagram,
let's catch us.
Silk
It's Soulless
Codex.
Cheater.
See phone ring now.
Hello?
Hey babe, I'm here with Kari right now. She's ready to talk to you. You got the ID I sent you?
Yeah, I got it, man.
Alright, so let me know when you're close and I'll come outside and get you.
I bet.
He's calling. Hey babe.
Hey, what's up, man? I'm about 15 minutes away.
Alright.
Yeah,
Let me know when you're close so I can come outside and get you, okay?
for sure. I'm gonna keep you posted.
Alright. Bye.
At this point, DJ was about to arrive and everything was going as planned. Will DJ remain loyal to his girlfriend or will he cheat on her once again?
Red flag.
Hey.
Why you took so long?
Sorry.
Yeah, you're waiting.
Alright, Kari's right in there.
Bro, first thing first, bro. No kiss right there, bro. No kiss. Red flag.
Hi, how are you? I'm okay. How are you? Meet DJ.
What's up?
You guys just sit down right here, talk business.
Oh,
You guys want anything to
fan
drink or you good? Oh, I see you guys drink already.
Drunk.
You know,
Of course.
listen, chill. I just like to,
What you drinking on?
A little bit of whiskey. Nothing too crazy.
Okay.
You know, I'm a professional at the end of the day.
Okay. I
You
understand
feel
that.
me? You feel me? So,
What's up? Talk to me.
I ain't be honest with you, like, you fine as hell.
Thank you.
Goddamn, like, where you from?
Originally, New York.
New York?
Yeah.
Real? So New York make them like that?
Exactly.
Okay.
You ain't never been there?
I ain't never been, but I need to go.
Come on.
Yeah? I'm about to book the first flight for me.
Bro, the female standing right there as his girlfriend, bro. And this guy is going to talk like this, like give this other female a lot of compliment. Bro, this guy is flirting right in front of his female, bro.
Pre out. Let's go.
Yo. And you got the tats too? Let me see them on. Yeah, okay. I like that shit. You got some pretty ass hands too.
Guys, y'all hear this, bro? Comment red flag, bro, for this guy, bro.
You ever had a nigga like do that?
Y'all see this shit? He's already flirting with her 20 seconds into the test. And mind you, his girlfriend is literally standing right in front of him.
You want OnlyFans? How long you been doing that?
About like 3 years.
Like 3
My
years?
career started.
Okay, real shit, real shit. What got you into that?
The money.
Just being fine. That's what it was.
The money.
Like
I see people getting paid. Why not? Let's try it. And it worked. Pays my bills. So.
Shit, okay. Like you got a partner, or you doing it all alone right now?
All alone. Yeah.
What? That's crazy. I'm gonna tell you, your numbers go up if you get a partner.
Really? Why you say that?
Because I just know from experience.
Come on, get
Okay.
jealous,
You
what you
know what he's
know.
talking about. Oh shit. Yes.
What are you guys talking about?
So I'm here for.
Yeah, good. Look, she really my support system. You feel me? She been with me from the jump. Like, yeah, but I ain't gonna lie, I might need another support system. And you looking
Alright.
like the type, for real.
Let's get on board.
Well, let's get on board. Let's do it. All right, so tell me, like,
Love
what type
that.
of shit you into? Like, how freaky are you?
What you want to hear for real?
I want to know,
'Cause
like,
I do it all. So
do you lick the balls? Like,
if that's what you're requiring, yeah.
that's what, okay, so you with it all then.
I just said that.
Oh shit, okay. Listen, I'm gonna just tell you, like, I'm a freaky ass nigga, but I got, like, some good like, baby, tell you.
I gotta find out myself.
Oh, you can find out whenever.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I really lays it
I believe you.
flat. I ain't gonna lie.
I
Like,
think.
you may not even be able to handle me.
Ah, see, you taking it a little too far.
I'm taking it far.
Yeah, because who said that?
I mean, I'm just saying, I'm just the type of nigga I am.
You just touch
Like,
the
just
guy leg, so what you
regardless.
She
think?
can't.
Eh?
Oh, no, she can't. You know,
Oh, so
she's not.
Guys, before we get right into it, you understand, please subscribe to my channel right now. Big up all of my subscribers. Guys, follow me on Instagram as well. Okay, thank you very much. Let's get, hey, see, mama, see, she's turning around.
She do her thing, you know what I'm saying?
But say
But
she'll do her
I'm just
thing.
saying.
are you just like together or you guys business partners as
No.
well?
Yeah, this is my girl, you know. She
Oh, okay.
we about 3 years strong, you know what I'm saying? She really like,
You love her?
yeah, hell yeah.
That's cool. You-
Do you love her? Oh yeah, oh yeah, bro. Like you're stutter, bro. Do you love her? Yes. Instant if you love her. You do not love her, bro. Red flag. Red flag.
Yeah.
That was a slow answer, but yeah, I do.
That's no
I mean,
answer,
of
bro.
course I love you, like, for real. Like,
You being
done
weird.
helped me in my career so much. You know what I mean?
So that's well, nothing.
Yeah. What? What's it
Hey,
about?
she wanna
That's all
talk
that
like
she benefits in
I mean, look.
this
like,
career.
Nah, like, for real, like, you know,
Alright,
I
fuck all
take
that,
care of
though.
her.
What you
She
gonna do
take
for me?
care of me.
What you gonna do for me?
What I'm looking for you.
Yeah.
Why I'm looking to, you know, add you on to my OnlyFans agency.
Right.
I'm a manager. I know she told you, like, I'm here to put you on. Just know that.
I'm with it. I gotta use the bathroom. Give me 1 second. Yeah. So what you thinking?
Oh, she cool. I like it. You kick right this time.
You know, I always do. I
You
always
made
do.
up from the last time.
Made up. I've never picked a bad one.
I mean, she fine as hell, so like I like her. But you know, don't like think too deep into that flirt. And I know how you be.
I'm not, and I'm here, so.
I know you here, but like I could tell like you feeling some type of way. You
No,
really
I'm
gonna have
good.
to chill that shit out because you really throwing me.
I really gotta what?
Like you gotta chill. Like I can.
I'm
tell.
chill right now.
I don't know if DJ is telling the truth to his girlfriend right now, or he's just manipulating her and gaslighting her.
See, I'm getting riled up because now you brought it up. I'm really chill though.
I mean, like you always got this passive aggressive ass vibe. Like you gotta just let me do my thing. Like you be thinking way too deep in the shit.
You got it.
Like come on.
You got it. So yeah, did I interrupt something? No, nothing at all.
Take a seat. Take a seat.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Or yeah, let's get on board.
Yeah, let's do it.
Come on.
So like.
Do I need to sign a contract? Do I need to like? Yeah, so I'll get you guys squared away.
After this meeting, Taylor and DJ plan to go out. So Taylor's excuse to leave is basically that she has to do her makeup in order to look good for their date. However, we're gonna see now if he actually continues to flirt with her while she's gone.
I'll get you squared away with the contract and everything. But we're going out later, so do you have a bathroom I can use to get changed and dressed and everything?
Yeah, you could go upstairs in my room because it's a bigger bathroom, so you could go up there.
Okay, all right. I'll leave you guys to it.
Thank you, babe.
Bye.
While Taylor's doing her makeup, DJ and Kari will finally be left alone.
She was so fucking on him, bro. Like.
Oh my
I
God.
swear, like, bro. If it.
Start to disrespecting the girl, bro. Red flag.
That nigga like I need.
Kari, is it the one on the left?
Yes, babe, right good.
Okay, got you.
Like I just need constant in my life.
Yo,
Like,
these
I-
people
I
is
think
smart.
type of shit. So I keep her around, but like real shit, bro. Like I ain't gonna lie, I might have to replace her ass with you. She,
shit.
like top tier, like girls, like white girls.
Guys, you're hearing this shit, bro? Ah? Everyone is listening, right? Subscribe, okay? Subscribe.
I do like you.
Okay.
Sexy white dress. Tats. I'm from New York, so I know.
You like New York girls?
Now I do.
Oh, I. Great answer.
I definitely do now.
Great answer.
Hey, this guy make it look like, yo, like every guy is a cheater, bro. Yo, dog. You moving like that, bro. This guy is moving thirsty, bro. Like it's more male than a female, bro. It's more female than male, bro. Just take your time, bro. Y'all move so. Dog, move, say yo.
Take a guess.
Shit, Puerto Rican?
Hell no. Ew.
Nah, what you mix with that?
Take it guess.
Dominican.
Okay, and Haitian.
Dominican and Haitian. Oh, goddamn. That's a mix right there. So, like,
Mix.
if we were to have kids, our kids would be like Haitian, Puerto Rican.
Man, even want to talk about kids already,
No,
bro.
no.
Yeah,
Tripping,
right.
tripping.
That's,
Look, man.
that don't mean nothing.
Chill. Look,
What are you?
I be slipping up a little bit, but nah, I know. Dominican. Not me, I'm black. I'm just
Straight black.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, you know, we're gonna have athletes. That's what we're gonna
Okay. How tall are you?
How tall am I? I'm 6 foot. How tall are you?
Okay.
Asking all these questions.
5'6".
Stop asking all the questions. Just let it flow, all right?
5'6".
Just let it flow. You 5'6". Oh, I'd pick your ass up.
Oh shit. Let me find out.
What you talking about? Like, I don't play around.
So go ahead.
Come on.
Red flag. Red up the whole place, bro, God. Not even stoplight, red light, this red flag, bro, God. Red flag. Go out there, go boxing. A joke. No violence on the channel, guys. You understand? Yo, Jad was start. Red up.
I'm stupid.
Yes.
You got a stupid booty. I'm trying
Okay.
to.
Let me find out.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to get bigger.
What's up?
What's up?
Let's get started.
I got like a 3-week workout plan.
Okay. Okay. I've been trying to get. You wouldn't even believe me if I was to show you my pictures in high school. I was dead thick.
You was thick in high school?
Yes, I was.
Damn. We gonna get you back right there.
Oh, the lady don't reach downstairs as yet, guys.
Okay, I like that.
Pass.
Exactly.
That shit, like,
Oh
on to some new shit.
Okay.
Now, I ain't gonna lie, she up. Like, I don't know why she introduced me to you. She crazy.
Yeah, I like it easy. What's up though?
You see what people talk behind the box, bro. You see what they say behind the box, bro.
I'm ready right now.
Well, let's go. Come on.
Let's go. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, you my type.
Yeah.
You my type. God. Oof.
You trying to do it in the pool?
Shit.
You ever did it in the pool?
I ain't gonna lie. I wanted to do it in the shower, but we could do it in the pool.
All right, come on.
It's your sexy.
No respect,
Let's go.
bro.
Mind if I grab it?
Go.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Walking out there.
Whew. Yeah, I ain't coming.
Guys, you see, this is what I don't understand, bro. This is what I can't understand, bro. Like, you literally know that this guy is fake. So why you gonna cry again? You love to cry, or you just what's wrong with these people, bro? You get a lot of red flags in the relationship, and now you see it in your eyes like this. What else again? You're gonna cry?
Are you stupid? I can't. I can't.
More hurt, bro. Like, it's better not knowing than to know,
Go
bro.
down there and her. Oh my gosh.
At this point, DJ is caught red-handed. He is a cheater. He wants to cheat with this girl. There is no ands, ifs, or buts about it. Business, relationship. He has agreed at this point to smash this girl. So now, as you guys know, it is time now to expose this soulless cheater.
Bro, subscribe.
Yo, you guys, bro, you guys. Taylor just texted me right now, bro, and said
really,
that she
bro?
got her $750 on Cash App, bro. Hold up, I gotta call her. Yo, you got your money?
I got it.
See, I told you, but wait. I gotta check. Did I get mine? Hold up. Cash App. Oh! I got it! Oh my God, I got it!
Bro, you already said
it
it worked, bro. So why? What the excitement all about?
Let me cash it
Huh?
out before they take it.
You already said it works, so you know, just like it's a normal day.
So tired. I'm so
Right?
tired of this. Really? What the 3 years?
Oh, you always
3 years of wasting my time. You're such a You're such a What is wrong with you? 3 is mine. How many has it been? How many? I don't care. I'm the reason you have money. You are who you are because of me. You would be nothing without me. You'd be nothing without me.
Talking about?
Don't talk to her. This has nothing to do with her and everything to do with us. Look at me.
Bro,
DJ,
you
how many
text, bro.
people?
Red
How
flag.
many? Who are you talking to? This is between me and you. Shut up! You need to listen. This is over. I'm so done with you.
Bro, I think like devil is in these people, bro. Trust me.
What are you talking about?
She's a bum. And why are you talking to her? Talk to me. This is between me and you. You called red-headed. It's the second time. How many
You tell her
times?
to shut
How
up?
many times has it been? How many times has it been? How many? DJ? How many?
Leave him.
How many?
Nigga, what do you mean?
You don't go
You know you wanted all this. You know, you
Nigga,
know you wanted it.
I would have had it
You
already.
know you wanted it.
I would have had it.
All that
I would have had it. Yeah. I would have had it.
Bro, what the is this?
You got caught. That's what is this. You got caught. That's
Oh,
what
go on,
it is.
bro.
You need to calm down. Stop. This is your problem right here. This is the problem right here. This is your problem right here. It's right here. That's what it is. Shut the You need to listen to
Oh,
him.
go on, bro.
So you're here in the first place. You need to chill out. You need to chill out.
You are
Get out of my face. Get out of my.
We got cameras in my phone.
Listen, can I explain what's going on, bro? Can I explain what's going on? Bro, come on, bro. You don't gotta do all that, bro. Fuck wrong with you, nigga. You want something? What the fuck, bro?
Leave that nigga alone.
I didn't want to fight you, bro. Why are you coming so hard at me, bro, and not letting me explain what I'm even here for, bro?
Answer, bro.
That's what you.
Bro, you see this stuff, bro?
Fucked up.
Bro, these things come like a stage, bro, because no way fight's gonna happen there, bro. Bro, this thing seems like a stage, bro. Like, these people is capping, bro. No way fight gonna happen there. And remember, bro, that guy who hold the camera is my friend, right? And my friend standing there watching that guy. Bro, catch the camera one side, bro. You understand? Yes, but no violence. You understand, people? No violence. You get what I say? So, let's see what. Oh, see what.
This is exactly what you deserve. This is exactly what you deserve.
Damn. I'm sorry you had to go through that. That's crazy as hell. Fuck him. Don't cry.
This is the part of the video that actually it gets me angry every single time I even think about this.
Look at him. Why would I fuck with that bum ass?
This really had me rethinking if I even want to continue to do this series. And I know you guys love it so much, so I'm going to continue to do it for you guys. However, I just ask you guys to please help me just like the video, bro. That's all I ask. Because I'm trying to get a bigger budget so I can get security, bro. Taylor hit me up to set you on this loyalty test, bro. If you guys want to see the full fight, it is going to be on Patreon.
Berlin, see there? That's where the full fight gonna be. Guys, you reach the end of the video. You understand? Guys, subscribe right now. Trust me. Yo. You see, Silk Reacts is here, letting you see what is going on right now into the world. You understand? The world is not the world anymore, as I said before. You understand? Big up all of my subscribers. Big respect to all of my followers on Instagram. You understand? Yes. Jesus Christ. Hey. This female, she's gonna be with that guy again. Trust me. Trust me, bro. But guys, I'm out. Okay? Big up on yourself.